Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and maybe to our first full week in a long time. Today is Monday, February 4th of 2019, with some morning announcements. Boys and girls, I'm sorry I forgot to announce the answer for the riddle on Friday. So the question was, if a house is made out of red bricks and another house is made out of yellow bricks, what is a greenhouse made out of? Well, the answer for that one is a lot of good answers. Like I had green pressure-treated wood, I had plants. But if you think of the word greenhouse, there is a structure called a greenhouse that you put plants in. That structure is made out of glass. So the correct answer for the riddle is glass that a greenhouse is made out of, not green bricks. So we did have 3 students get that correct on Friday, and they did get a prize for that, so congratulations. For our February birthdays to announce, we do have Blake McMillan. Happy birthday to you. Hope you have a great day today. And boys and girls, remember, if you want to sell World's Finest Chocolate for our PTCO, you got to turn in the permission slip first. You will not get a box of chocolate unless you turn in the parent permission slip first. So if you want to do that, permission slip needs to come in as soon as possible. The chocolate boxes are going fast. I had one parent already pick up 4 boxes. That means they sold 4 boxes of chocolate already. Amazing what they did in one day. Our lunch choices for today: crispy oven-baked drumstick with cookie, barbecue rib sandwich, or some butter and jelly. And speaking of chocolate, look at the girls here from 3rd grade. They're in our chocolate mound of boxes here to talk about our Paws.
All right, today I have some 3rd grade girls for our Paws, and they're standing in front of a huge amount of chocolate here. So this is for our PTCO fundraiser. So each one of them got a chocolate bar today to actually help out with their pledge in Paws. So what they're going to do today for their Paws is they're going to give some examples of things, especially with winter weather, things how you should probably dress, make sure that you're doing things appropriately.
No wearing shorts. Dress appropriately and bundle up.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you very much, girls. And I hope all of you can participate in the fundraiser and sell this chocolate just like many other kids are.
Thank you, girls, very much. I appreciate that. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, girls. I appreciate that. Everybody have a great day today. It is Monday. Let's hopefully we get a full week of school in. So that's what we're working for this week. No weather days, and let's make sure we're making great choices throughout the week. Have a wonderful day.